Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the AI avatar. I'm sure we've been seeing so many pictures online recently, and we see people uploading pictures of themselves, and it looks like a bit like cartoon and a bit finer than them. Sorry, I was used that word because that's more like an avatar. It's more like the AI version of yourself. So today I'm going to show you how to use that particular avatar so that you also can upload on your Instagram, on your Facebook and Twitter. So you just don't watch them and be like, oh, how do they do this? So first of all, you click on the avatar and then you click install. Don't forget the name is down AI avatar. So you click on download. Yes, so it's downloading. We'll give it some time to download and then we'll come back. So it's installing now. We'll let it install. Yeah, it won't take time and then it's done. So the first thing we have to do is to open the AI avatar, and yeah, this is what it looks like. This is what you get to see when you change yourself to this avatar. You become like this. You become sweet. So the first thing is to get your avatar. So you click on the get your avatar, and then it tells you this is actually an advert, right? So you can actually exit this if you wish, and then you can create tags. Yeah, so now this is telling you, you said pick 8 to 12 photos of yourself. Now you said we'll use them to learn how you look and generate 50 avatars for yourself. Imagine creating different avatars that looks like you but are not actually you. How would that be? Very nice. And then you get to upload them several times online, and people get to comment like wow. So people can actually be creative. So these are the requirements. They said you should have high quality picture. The picture should be taken in a well lighted place. Only one person, various location, various face expression. So in this you have to use different facial expression. You can show when you're smiling, when you're frowning, when you're smiling, when you're jumping, any face expression you can show from various angles, your left view, your right view, the portrait and the likes. And then you shouldn't use sunglasses if you're selecting pictures. So the first thing, we'll have to just select our pictures now, and then instead upload 8 to 12 photos. So I click plus, then I have to select. So I know where to get my pictures. Now if you look at this one is actually smiling, right? This one is smiling. Then don't forget this is actually on Android, right? On iPhone is same thing, same process, but then on iPhone you don't have to select it one by one. You just go and select everything at once. So I select this one also, but then don't forget I said no glasses, and I'm putting on glasses here, so I might want to take this off. Yes, so I select this one. I select, let's keep selecting and make sure we've selected up to 8 or 10. And then we will generate our avatar. I'm sure I wasn't smiling here, so I can still use that one, right? Here I was smiling, and then two more to go. Let's see. Okay, and then this one. Yeah, I was smiling here. Okay, let's create one more before we continue creating our avatar. Okay, this is good. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you said between 8 to 12, so I have 9, so we can actually create our avatar. And you click on the create avatar, and then it begins uploading these photos on the app. Now it counts. Once it gets to 9, then it starts creating your avatar. You get to see the beauty of AI creation. Now we are generating your avatar. When this will be ready, you get 50 ready use avatar. to be able to generate countless alternatives. Now, he said the time left is 16 minutes. This actually takes a while to create. And then don't forget, if you feel like you can't actually wait, you can click on the notify me button here, so that anytime you're done, it's done generating your avatar, it will notify you. So you can just keep it while we wait for it to notify. Don't go nowhere. We'll be back after it's done. Okay, great. Now this is what it looks like. I'm even laughing already. Looking at my AI pictures, my AI avatars, I'm just laughing already. Like, does this person look like me? Of course not. But somehow this person has my eyes and then my hair, obviously. So somehow the person looks like me. Let's see other ones. So see this guy. Do I look like this? Tell me under the comment section if you feel I look like this. Okay, this person also has my eyes. You know, the AI, I want you guys to look at this and then give it a review if you feel like this actually is nice, this actually works well, if this really looks like me. I don't know, but I want you to tell me under the comment section. So these are many more, like there are so many. It said you're going to give me 50, and then these are the 50. Just kindly click the subscribe button and follow us for more videos like this one, because there will be amazing videos coming right up. Trust me, unique videos never lacks. Yeah, so also if you want to use another application, I can recommend this ToonArt for you. You just go to your Play Store and you download the ToonArt application, and you can see here I've actually downloaded the ToonArt application. So you just open it and then you see different cartoons, or should I say different AI avatars. You know, the other one we talked about was actually AI avatars. So you see different avatars, and the way anywhere you want, you see different avatars, and you can choose your preference. Now you can see the charm, you can see Toon 3-1, you can see beauty, Toon, and the rest. So if you check my profile picture, I don't know, I think I selected, which I know I selected one of these though, but right now I can't actually pinpoint which I selected. So for this video we'll be making use of this one. Yes, this one. Let's use this Toon 32. Yes, so it's going to take you to your pictures, and then you just select one picture. Yes, select one picture, and then it's analyzing the picture. So you just have to decrease this a bit. You pinch it and reduce it a bit to suit your preferred size of picture, and then you click OK. Then now you draw your cartoon. So you just have to wait for a few minutes for your cartoon to be drawn, after which you're good to go. Yes, so this is what you get for that particular avatar we chose. Now you can try more yourself, choose other avatars to use for your pictures and see the outcome of it. So let me know. Okay, so before we end this video, you can actually change the background too. I forgot that part. So you can change the background to your preferred background. You can use this and this. Then for other background, you see that these are actually paid background, so you can't use that except you pay for them. You can even remove this ToonArt only after paying. So what I do most times is to just cut that part out. That's just a little secret I do. Then you save this and X, and then you're good to go. So it's been saved already. So try other avatars in this ToonArt and tell me which you prefer under the comment section. I'll wait this. If this is the first video you're watching, kindly click the subscribe button and follow us, so that any other video we post, you will be the first person to view. Take care for now. Catch ya.